Leo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ano yung energy ng iyong love life ngayong May 2026. General reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwede hindi. So just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So kung gusto nyo ng mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts tsaka scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. Or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description. Okay, let's see Leo. What is the energy ng love life ng mga Leo ngayong May? Meron kang ina-assess na relationship situation. Tinitingnan mo kung totoo ba ang intensyon ng tao na to sa'yo. Tinitingnan mo kung may patutunguhan ba yung relasyon nyo, yung connection ninyo. Kasi maaring may mga bagay na nagko-contradict no, sa sinasabi ng person that you're dealing with base or versus doon sa ginagawa. Maari ring may napapansin ka sa person na to, mga red flags, mga bagay na hindi aligned sa values mo. So, ina-assess mo yung person na to na ano ba, magbabago kaya to? Tatanggapin mo ba siya? Kasi pwedeng you are already connecting with this person, may relasyon na kayo, or potential siya sa'yo. So, ngayon, tinitingnan mo, is this a person that will, give you the type of relationship dynamics na gusto mo? Oh, some of you, pwedeng ito ay long distance relationship. So, pwedeng isa rin to sa in-assess mo kung okay sa'yo yung long distance connection, long distance relationship. Dahil alam niyo naman, isa sa pinaka-challenging na relasyon ang long distance. Kasi kailangan talaga meron ka dyan tiwala. Oo. And kadalasan, nagkaka-issues talaga sa trust, tiwala. So, yun, ini-assess mo. Are you okay with that? Temperance. Meron kang hinihintay. Parang meron kang pinagmamasdan or inoobserbahan mo yung person that you are dealing with right now. Tinitingnan mo kung paano siya gumalaw sa relationship. Gusto mo ring malaman yung background ng person na to. Some of you want, parang mayroon kayong inaalam about the past ng person na to, sino yung nakarelasyon niya. Pwedeng direkta tinatanong mo yung person mo or sine-check mo sa internet kung ano yung background niya sa relationship. This person, you may dealing with Sagittarius or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You are looking for a stable relationship. You are looking for a serious relationship. Kaya very careful ka dito sa connection na to. You have the 5 of Cups. Kasi maaring may mga regrets ka in your past. Meron ka pang kailangang i-work out sa sarili mo. Kasi minsan, yung mga failures natin sa past relationship, yun yung hinahanap natin na maayos sa new person. Okay? Siyempre, iba-iba naman yan. Minsan na merong learnings na, okay, itong attitude na to, behavior na to sa relationship, natutunan ko na. So, meron ka ng mga adjustments na gagawin. Yeah, with the Fool, some of you are taking a risk in the relationship. Kumbaga mas bolder ka. Kung dati parang gusto mo nakabox yung relationship nyo, na parang mas kontrolado mo, you are in this mindset na you want to be more welcoming in a relationship, na you want to give a chance sa isang tao na you are connecting with right now. Maaring nakikita mo na may potential siya to become um, a lifetime partner, no? With the Four of Wands, Queen of Cups. I also see na mas magiging malalim yung pagkakakilala mo sa person na to. You will get to know this person so well. You will pour, ibubuhos mo yung iyong pagmamahal, yung iyong attention sa person na to. The moment na ma-realize mo na siya pala talaga yung gusto mo. And some of you, dealing with, a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Love makes the difference. Love helps heal past hurts and provides a sense of security and self-worth. Okay. So, some of you, maaring itong relationship that you're dealing with, you feel na naging way to para mag-heal ka from your past. It's not that ginagamit mo siya para mag-heal, but nakatulong itong relationship na to para mas makapagbigay ka ng value sa sarili mo. Maaring this person is giving you the attention that you need, yung value na gusto mo na ma-experience dun sa past, and now you are getting it. Yeah, I feel like you are going to treasure this relationship. Treasure your loved ones. It is important to love others deeply. Yes. Gaya ng nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, you are loving this person deeply. I also see na mas nakikita mo yung good side ng person na to. Siyempre, wala namang perfectong tao. Meron at merong mga flaws. Okay? But I feel like you are focusing more on the good side of this person, not just the potential of this relationship, but also kung ano yung future ninyo together. Maaring pagdating sa inyong beliefs, sa pananaw nyo sa relationship, magkapareho kayo. Embrace your emotions, allow your feelings to surface and be accepted. O, diba? I-embrace mo yung totoong nararamdaman mo for this person na yes, magiging maingat ka, yes, i-assess mo kung totoo ba talaga to, lalo na kung may challenge sa inyo, like for example, long distance relationship or you are merong cultural differences, pwedeng foreigner, no? Magkaiba kayo ng kultura, nakagisnan. But I feel like you will be more open to your emotions and you will just go with the flow with this person. Lalo na marami ka ng lessons na natutunan sa past relationship mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.